Hi there, welcome back to our office here in Melbourne. The thing I'm going to talk to you today is eBay, and without question, eBay is the most exciting way and quickest way to get things moving in your online business. Nothing sells quicker than eBay. The thing about if you set up a website and try to sell things, it takes a lot longer because people that are searching for websites online aren't always looking to buy. They're actually searching online they search for information, not to buy something. Whereas eBay, people that are on eBay are searching to purchase something, and it's one of the reasons eBay is so successful. The other thing to consider is that a lot of people think that eBay is done because everyone knows about eBay, everyone sells on eBay already, everything you can imagine is there. Well, yeah, that's all true. There are a lot of people that are selling and a lot of products on eBay, but it is definitely not done. And the reason it's not done is because 95% of sellers on eBay don't know what they're doing. They're doing things wrong. Listings look terrible. The pictures are no good. All these little things add up to lower sales. So you could even come into an already established market on eBay, and if everyone else is doing something not quite right and you do everything right, you're going to be the leading seller in that market. Now that's pretty exciting if you think about it. The difference between a good listing and bad listings are huge. A bad listing is few text, the pictures aren't quite right. There are tons of those on eBay. If you can make your listing look, you can actually have your listing look like a brochure, a sales brochure with colour and pictures and good information. That makes a huge difference. The other thing is you can add videos to eBay. All these things make a big difference. eBay is a perfect way for a beginner to sell their imported goods because it's quick. All right, the sellers, the buyers are there already. They're engaged. They want to purchase something. So it's a quick way to make sales. Online selling is also something you can do in total harmony with your current business. If you are already a business owner and you don't sell products online, why? Why wouldn't you just open up an eBay store and put your products there? Even if you're making 10% margin, you're still making something, and it's passive. You're not doing anything for it. The only thing you have to do is maybe answer a question every now and then, and when you sell something, stick it in a post pack and send it off, or get a courier to come and collect it. It's very simple. Now, you can stand out on eBay. There are a lot of things that you can do. There are literally hundreds of little things, improvements you can make to an eBay listing that will make you a big seller. We know all these things, and we're going to teach you the 20 must-know eBay tips that will achieve 80% of your results. And where we're going to do that? At our next workshop. So we'll see you there, guys.